Alright folks, 2013 Honda Civic LX 4-cylinder. Want to learn how to do an air filter? Let's do an air filter change. Pretty simple here. 2 clips on the left, 1 clip on the right. Lifts just enough that you can pull the filter out. Alright, the filter is pretty clean on this, so I want to pull it out. Show it to you. Only goes in one way. Push it back in, and you're good to go, right? Lift it just enough to get the filter out. Yeah, let's see. Let's set you up here. All right, here we go. Rock and roll. 1, 2, 3. This cover comes up. It's gonna hit this little cowl here. Okay. Pull it up as much as you can. You grab it. They got a little tab over here if you want to grab it. Okay. You just got to clear these little plastic pieces that hold the filter. And there it is right there. Okay. That little cutout view can only go one way. All right. It's pretty decent right now. Oil change is coming up soon. So I'm going to wait for the customer to change it when they do the oil change. Otherwise, give them a ring now, and I'll see if they want me to do it right now. All right, lift it up just enough that it drops. Make sure it's flush. Once it's flush, this goes in. Easy peasy. Oh. 2 and 3. There you go. You're all good. Okay. If you see leaves in there or dirt, vacuum it or blow it out. Just make sure nothing goes into the engine. Cover up with a rag, and then you're good to go. All right. Thanks for watching.